Well, hello there, little minions. You're probably clicking on this video because you want to save 20 to 30 minutes when installing these shelves. And yes, I can promise you right now, this video is going to save you a lot of heartache. Let's hop right into this. Let's give you a little sneak peek what these shelves are gonna look like once we are done showing you some hints, tips, and tricks about how to install these things. Very sturdy, surprisingly so. And I have them going right into my exposed studs, and they look fantastic. Now there are a couple variations of these shelves. These are the shorter of the two shelves. However, I put them right next to each other to see if I could space them nicely, and they are very nicely spaced. These are the longer versions right over here. The exact same construction. They come with the same amount of brackets. So one there and then one there. But obviously it's just a little longer. The first absolute vital thing that you need to do is see this little level, this little bubble that pops in there, and you think that this mounting template is just the greatest thing ever. It's got pre-drilled holes. It comes with your racks, your shelving unit. Throw that away. It's absolute trash. What you need instead is a nice, solid, sturdy level like this. It's worth the extra money. You're gonna have it for the rest of your life. Buy something like this. Step number one when installing these shelves. First, you are going to install one of these brackets, and you're going to screw a hole in there. You're going to then sink a screw right in there. And then once that's in place, you're gonna get your handy level and you're going to pop it in right there. And you're going to make sure that it is vertical up and down and it's plumb. And since you only have one screw in there, it's easy to tilt side to side like that. And then once it's vertical up and down, then you continue sinking the screw in there and the one in there. Now that that is level, you get this guy, you pop it on here like so, and you go right across and you resume mounting this exactly how you mounted that. Same idea, screw a hole in there, and then after the pilot, then you pop your screw in there. Make sure it's vertical up and down like so, using your level. And then once that's the case, pop it in there and then in there. Now, once that's in place and it's perfectly level, you pat yourself on the back, and then you're going to get your rack. And this is a little tricky. I saw that some people had a bit of frustration with this. Now you would think that you would mount these these shelves, you would think that you would mount these racks from back to front. You don't. You actually go from front to back. So check this out. So we're gonna mount it there and there, give it a little tug forward, and it snugs in right like so. Then you address the back end. A lot of people think that you go straight down. You don't. You go from the back, and then you're gonna force it down, 1, 2, 3, and it clips in like so. So just remember that. Put the racks in from front to back. Then at that point, you can get the Velcro straps, which are included, and you can kind of tie them there to make sure they don't slide from left to right. And that is it. We are done. Hopefully this is helpful in determining whether or not these racks are right for you. I'm gonna go ahead and put these racks in the description below in case you want to purchase them on Amazon. My name is Beau.